Kubernetes SOPs overview. SOPS Secret Operations is a tool by Mozilla for managing secrets with strong encryption. It allows you to encrypt and decrypt sensitive data, such as password, API keys, and other confidential information. When integrated with Kubernetes, SOPS can be used to securely manage secrets with your GitOps workflows, enabling you to store encrypted secrets in Git repositories while only decrypting them within the Kubernetes cluster when needed. How Kubernetes SOPS works. SOPS uses encryption keys from providers like AWS KMS, GCP KMS, Azure Key Vault, and PGP to encrypt secrets in YML, JSON, or other supported formats. When used with Kubernetes, SOPS manages secrets in a secure manner, ensuring that they are encrypted in storage and only decrypted within cluster. Now let's understand steps to use Kubernetes SOPS. First is you need to install SOPS. You can use any of the commands to use it, like brew install SOPS in case of Mac, and then you can use it after installing. After this, you have to create an encryption key. Use a AWS cloud KMS provider AWS, GCP, etc. to create an encryption key. This key will be used to encrypt and decrypt the secrets. Encrypt, then comes the third step. Encrypt secrets using SOPS. Create a YML file with your secret data. Use SOPS to encrypt the file with KMS key. For example, we can use following AWS KMS. This command encrypts secret.yml and it outputs the encrypted file secret.enc.yml. In this one, key will be encrypted. Now fourth step is store encrypted secret in Git. Commit and push encrypted secret file secret.enc.yml to your Git repository. This keeps your secret secure while allowing version control and collaboration. Then comes fifth option. Deploy encrypted secrets to Kubernetes. Use tools like kubectl with SOPS integration or GitOps tools like Argo CD or Flux CD that supports SOPS decryption and deployment. These tools will decrypt secrets beside cluster using provided keys and create Kubernetes secrets. Access secrets in your application. Now how you will access it. Your Kubernetes application can then access these secrets as environment variables or mounted volumes, similar to standard Kubernetes secrets. For example, if you have to create a secret YML, you can create with a just like below thing. It's a sample YML file which I am providing. It will have it will be a kind secret. Name is my secret and string data will be DB password and the password. Then we can encrypt this with SOPS which you have installed. So you can follow below command. This file you will encrypt and it will generate secret enc YML. Now we need to deploy this one. Commit secret.ync to your Git repository and then use it. Now comes what are the pros and cons for this. It provides a strong security. It supports your versioning control. It provides integration with GitOps. It provides support with KMS, AWS, GCP, Azure, and PGP keys. Cons is that it is bit complex. It has dependency on one of the key management systems. Secrets are decrypted within the cluster, meaning they could be exposed if cluster security is compromised. Overall summary is using SOPS with Kubernetes provides a secure way to manage and deploy secrets within your GitOps workflows to ensure that secrets are encrypted and managed in version control manner, enhancing security while integrating seamlessly with cloud KMS provider. However, the complexity and tooling overhead may require a bit of careful consideration based on your projects and needs.